Some of the hardest working people I know are small business owners. But yet those same people that work insane amount of hours, they give everything they have to their business, are not thriving. The biggest reason is lack of marketing. It was very important for us when we built Copper State to actually build a business that we could step away from at some point, that would still continue to run. We've accomplished in 18 months what I see. It takes companies a lot of time, 5, 10 years, sometimes never. Unfortunately, a lot of times never. So what Main Street Marketing has really done for us is to create predictability, know that we have business coming in, so I don't have to cross my fingers and hope and pray for referral business. Like I don't know too many business owners that it's an unwillingness to want to grow or to willing to take the risk. Most small business owners are. With the Main Street Marketing program, there's no guesswork. The results are there. So you spend this and then you see what your results are. It's not like you're gonna send 1,000 mailers and hope the phone rings. I mean, your results are here real time. You know what you're getting when you market with them, when you spend your money with them, invest in your business. With Main Street Marketing, your business will grow.